Hello viewers, hope you all are well. Today I'm going to show you that how you can create a Gmail account. Before I start, I want to say if you are watching my video first time, please subscribe my channel to get latest technology related video. So okay, let's start. So at first you have to search on Google Gmail. Now I'm click on it. From here you have to go Gmail, Google. And here is the basic some features showing of Google. So from here you have to go create an account where you have to provide your name, user ID, password and so on. So I'm going to here put my name. There is Ryan Eagle. So Ryan Eagle already here, username showing. Now I have to select. Here is some showing any one of this, but I wanna use this. If you want, you can customize like this 2002 like this. Here is the password you have to put in. Now I'm going to put in here. Okay, here is the confirm password. Okay, from now we have to click next. If this is already available, then here will be show. So now you have to put here your phone number. If you want, you can use this, or if you don't want, you can ignore this option. From here you have to put in your date of birth. Now I'm going to put on it. Okay, so here you have to select your gender. Now I'm going to fill up all these things and click next. Let's check it out. Wait a moment. Click next. Here is some features. I agree. So I think our Gmail ID already created. So yeah, we finished it. Our Gmail ID is ready to use now. Now you can share this email ID anywhere on internet. So people, so hope you understand how to create a Gmail account with a minute. So no more today. Talk to you later with a new video. So bye bye.